everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm sorry that I have not been around. It's been over 3 weeks since my last upload. I've just been very busy with work and I'm also trying to catch up with my design team project for Line That Arrow and Nonstop Paper Crafts. So those projects will be my next video, but today I'd like to show you this old project. This was a junk journal page swap using red materials. So this project was long gone. It went to a beautiful home and we swapped a junk journal page using predominantly red materials, red colors. So for those who have seen this project, I hope that you continue to watch and I hope that this serves as an inspiration as well for your future projects if you are trying to complete a journal or just getting ideas. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that this junk journal page would inspire you to just continue to create. In this project, you will see that I added a few different elements, so it's just not one page because I added a flip and pockets and tucks and tags, journaling cards as well, so plenty of opportunities for journaling. This project can be added to an existing journal, or this can be a journal on its own as well by adding more papers or writing spots. So there you go. I hope you stay till the end of this video. It's very short, less than 10 minutes. I believe it's only 8 minutes or so. And I will see you again in my next project. Thank you so much for supporting my work and my channel, and I hope that you join my YouTube family if you are not subscribed. God bless you.